are on the Crypto Radar channel. Subscribe to the channel and listen carefully. Binance US is struggling to find a new bank partner to provide fiat on ramp and off ramps for its clients in the United States. The Wall Street Journal reported on April 8 that the exchange has been unsuccessful in its attempts to establish a new banking relationship after Silvergate and Signature Bank failed to provide banking service. Binance US is currently relying on middleman bank to store funds on its behind, according to Wall Street Journal source. Binance Holdings, a cryptocurrency exchange, has been struggling due to various factors, including the regulatory crackdown on banks with crypto clients. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) cited Binance Holding and its CEO Changpeng Zhao in March for alleged trading violations. The CFTS has been investigating the exchange since 2021. Binance US has been successful in establishing direct banking relationship with banks like Cross River Bank and Customers Bancorp. This has results in lack of direct bank to hold its clients' US dollars. As a result, Binance US customers have been impacted with some USD deposit services being temporarily affected during the transition to new banking and payment service providers over the next several weeks.